Brace yourself, ladies, for another flawless look from UNICE Hair. And to add the icing on the cake, you already know this one is available on Amazon Prime as early as receiving it tomorrow. Look at how beautiful the upgraded hairline and lace is. I love the highlights on this one as well as the curls. She's giving soft, feminine, girly with a nice edge to her, and I am so in love. I even added a little bit of baby hair for my own little touch, but you guys already know baby hair is optional. This one is 100% glueless and she lays extremely flat. And again, she's available on Amazon Prime. I'm gonna have her linked in the description box, and of course we're gonna do a start to finish install. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Jumping right into it, we're starting off real rugged, real rough over here, ladies. I'm just jumping out of the shower. I decided to wash and condition my hair today. Did a quick blowout and some quick meek meals. Today we are rocking with UNICE Hair, and they sent over this gorgeous highlight wig. She is a bye knot glueless body wave 7x5 pre-cut lace wig. As you guys can see, they included this beautiful blonde highlight color throughout. It's very nice and classy. This is a look at the inside construction of the cap. They did include those latches for the adjustable elastic band, which is in your box. I went ahead and adjusted the straps in the back. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my hair to a low bun so that I can go ahead and put on a brown wig cap. I'm struggling, ladies. You guys know I don't prefer the HD wig caps at this point, so I am going to use a nice chocolate brown. The more chocolate it is, the more seamless it is, especially when you're dealing with really beautiful lace. I did go ahead and moisturize my scalp just a little bit, which I've been neglecting to do lately. I've got to get back on a regimen. It's definitely important. I'm just thinking about my older years when maybe I may give up wigs at some point in life, and I just want to make sure that my tresses, my natural hair, is always protected and ready to go. You got to keep your hair TTG because you just never know when it's time to give up the wigs. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on a nice brown wig cap. It's brown like me. And this is so that I don't have to put any foundation, powder, any product onto my natural hair. You know how you got to buff the foundation powder in. You know what I'm talking about. This is what the wig looks like on. And as you guys can see, she lays nice and flat and flush. She's also super long and full. As you guys can see, this is going to be a beautiful, gorgeous wig for my next outing. Here is a look at the hairline. It lays super flat and it also fits 100% glueless. I also wanted to show you a few ways to style this one. So of course I'm going to do the center part, but you can definitely do the side part. And notice how beautiful and rich the lace is. It's giving very much neat, clean, high quality. So here, since I messed up the parting a little bit, I'm just going in and perfecting the parting. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't say enough about how gorgeous the parting is. But I am going to do the dynamic duo, which is my wax stick paired with the electric hot comb. And you already know I love to do this step because this is how I get that super laid salon quality look. Even if your wig lays flat, it can lay flat and still give like beauty supply. And you want yours to give like the best of the best, you know what I mean? So that is why I like to do this step. Also, I'm going to give it a little bit of character and make it my own by adding a little baby hair along the front. This definitely helps to give the frontal vibes because this technically is a closure, but she also lays like a frontal since the lace goes over so far. My favorite part about these wigs is that they just make for a very, very easy beginner friendly installs. You don't have to do the baby hair if it's not your cup of tea. You can definitely just literally add a little bit of mousse along the hairline to lay it down. Add the milk belt they provided along and then let it, set and literally take it off and you're good to go. All of the steps that I'm doing today are just showing you a way to elevate the look and just make it look a lot more like rich and classy and, just make it look like money. But if you just have normal days like me, like on a normal day, I'm a mom, I'm going to just plop this thing on, add a little bit of mousse or something to lay the hairline down, and I'm just going to brush it out best I can and go. And, sometimes you just got to give what you can. And literally a lot of the days, majority of the days, I just give my best. And my best typically is getting a great quality wig from UNICE so that I can just literally put her on and go. But it's also fun to have moments like this where I'm able to play in it, jazz it up, and do all of the steps to go ahead and make her look super flawless. As you guys can see, I'm remaining 100% glueless. I did use mousse along the hairline to secure the baby hair, and I put a little extra along the center so that I can put the milk belt on. And this is going to give the wig the melted look, but it remains 100% glueless because while this mousse does have a little bit of stickiness to it, it is a honey-like formula. It for sure has no adhesive, no bonding technology, and I'll show you that towards the end of the video. Here, I did just show you the before and after of what it looks like to do the dynamic duo along the lace and the parting versus not. And you guys can see it makes a huge difference in just making it look super flat, sleek, frizz free, and all of the above. So I did take my time here and I did cut out a lot of the clips because this definitely is one of those steps that, you know, I will take my time and I will do as many heat passes as needed. Here I'm doing another optional step, which is to just blow dry the hairline. Because I want it to look super flat and melted and I'm not using an adhesive, I'm just making sure that that wet mousse gets super dry to give me a really good look. And then I am using the unbrush to go in and just brush out the curls provided. This is a body wave texture, so the curls are nice and soft and loose, but I did want to go in and turn it up a notch. So we pulled out the Babyliss curling iron, and I'm just going to do some quick curls to give it a little bit more va-va-voom. If I did not mention, they did include upgraded supernatural lace. Here I'm just keeping it simple and easy, and I'm just curling the ends more so. I did go ahead and edit this out so that you won't have to watch me do the curls. You guys know what curls look like at this point. If not, you can request and I'll do a very detailed curling tutorial here. But I'm just going ahead and just using the curling iron away from my face to make these like medium to large size curls. And I did not use any product beforehand, but after I did use a soft hold or flex hold hairspray to just lock in the curl. And I'm going to do the exact same thing off camera. And I love the way they came out. I love the way a good curls look with highlight. It literally is my favorite way to wear highlight hair. I did go ahead and let that set and add that hairspray as I mentioned. And then you guys can see here, because I use the mousse, you literally can just use a comb to kind of like brush out the product. And they are sitting there like fluffy baby hair. They're not like gel down or have like that super shiny look. They are soft and they just lay in place, which is my favorite type of baby hair when it's formed and it looks laid and snatched, but it's not like, you know, gelled, you know, it doesn't look like ghetto. It just looks very nice and classy, if you will. Now I'm going in to tint the lace, and you guys know my latest favorite has been the Maybelline Fit Me in the Parting with the Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 along the hairline. Now I'm just combing out the curls a little bit, and you guys can see it's still giving what the body wave gave. It's just turned up a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I am just taking that heat to just make sure that everything is laid and flat how I like it. Of course, I have a link to this one in the description box. Again, this one is Amazon Prime, so you literally can't beat it with a bat. You can buy it or order it today and you'll have it literally within like 2 days. For me, like I just clicked the link and it says it will be here tomorrow, so that is amazing. Here I'm showing you a close-up of the hair. This was like the next day. I had been wearing it already, but I wanted to show you guys when I put it on, it literally just sits on my head. It is nice and flat. The lace is very thin. It complements, and you know, it's just perfect, and it's 100% glueless. So here is the packaging. I wanted to show you guys this really quickly before we head out. You guys know the magenta is my favorite, and they did include some nice little goodies. This here is the adjustable elastic band that you can go ahead and attach to make your wig fit nice and snug. HD wig caps, these press-on nails, a melt belt, as well as 2 of these little cute stickers. And that is pretty much it. I am so excited to share this one with you guys. She's absolutely beautiful. I love the rich dark color with the highlight contrast. It gives a very nice edge, but still very feminine. The lace, everything about this one is 100% glueless, beautiful, flat, and again, flawless. I'm going to have all the details to this one on the description box. Be sure to check her out. There is a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!